Good morning, children. This is my sixth video of class 8th. So, today we shall see the writing skills. In the last class, you have seen about the noun phrase in a position. Okay, so now let us learn the writing skills. So, here is a paragraph taken from the story. Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have four children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. So, this is an extract taken from the story. Now, based on this, so this paragraph tells us that how Gopi, due to the economic pressures, was not able to take care of his mother. Now, you also may use the hints that are given below, like what are the impact of economic pressures, lack of time to spend with the family, lack of love and affection, absence of human relationships. So these are the hints. Based on these hints, you write a paragraph on how to keep up family ties despite economic pressures. So you can start like nowadays every family faces the economic pressures. So due to this economic pressures, what happens? Why do they have this economic pressures? Because to meet the family, to run the family smoothly, and they have to work. The both the wife and the husband have to work. Okay, and due to this, like what are the impacts of this economic pressures? So you can write that there is lack of time to spend with the family, with the children, and due to this, the children lack the love and affection, and there is an absence of human relationships. So how can they overcome this? So the parents can overcome this by giving their spending holidays and other leisure times with the children, like giving moral support to the children and creating confidence that they love and care them a lot. And they can even listen to them very patiently, to their children about when they tell them about the friends, studies, and about their school life and all that, how they spent in the school that day. So they have to listen to them carefully, they have to give them some time, and they should also appreciate them every time and whenever they do some good works and all that. And they have to take them to some excursions, outings, and so to some entertaining programs, and also make them happy. So it should be, then it will be a very happy family. So they will not have any sort of family ties to, they have to just keep up the family. They have to do all these things despite they have all this economic pressures. So that way you have to write down all these points. First you have to write what are the economic pressures, and because of this economic pressures, what are the drawbacks of it, and how the parents can overcome all this. With that, you have to write down a small paragraph in 10 sentences. Okay, so this is your assignment of writing skills. So I've explained you how you have to write it. So now let us go to the listening skills. In listening skills, I will be telling you an announcement on radio. Okay, so listen to that carefully and then answer the questions that follow. Okay, children, and the answers of the questions also is an assignment for you in today's video. Okay, now listen to the listening skills. Now listen to the announcement on the radio. Prashant, a 13-year-old boy, has been missing since last Sunday. The boy is in blue trousers and pink t-shirt. He can speak Telugu, Hindi, and English. He has fair complexion. He is fond of movies. His parents are much worried about him. Whoever finds Prashant will be rewarded. You may contact the Sub Inspector of Police, Vidyanagar, Tiruvananthapuram, mobile number 99XXXXX00. Okay, now this is the announcement on the radio. Now you can see the questions that follow and answer them, and please send it as an assignment. Please write your answers for the questions given after listening to the announcement I have made just now. Listen carefully the announcement once again and answer the questions that are given. Okay? Now let us look into the study skills. So here some family related information is given. A family tree is given, which we have is divided into nuclear family and joint family. So nuclear family consists of father, mother and children. Joint family consists of father, mother, children and their families. Okay, so here are some questions, and right, just answer these questions. Is yours a nuclear or joint family? So write down this answer and write a paragraph describing in 4 to 5 sentences the types of families using the information given in the above tree diagram. So do write which type of family you prefer and why. Okay, so you have to write down just a paragraph about what is being described on the top. So you will just write there are two types of families, and in the present day society we have both the nuclear families as well as the joint families. Okay, and mostly now we don't find the joint families, only nuclear families are increasing day by day. And you will write nuclear family consists of what is being told in the tree above. You just describe about it, and why you prefer, which type of family you prefer and why. So whichever you prefer, whether you prefer a nuclear family or a joint family, you just write down one sentence. So first write a paragraph describing about the type of families using the information given in the above tree. What is being described, what is a family and what is a nuclear family, and how in the present society, what is prevailing in the present society, nuclear families or joint families. Like that you just write a small description, and at last you write down which family you prefer and why. So just answer these questions, and this is also one of the assignment that you have to do it. So in this video, firstly you have learned about the writing skills. You have been given an extract from the story, and you have been asked in general to write about a paragraph about the how to keep up the family ties despite of the economic pressures. Okay, so that you have to write one paragraph, and then next is I have given the announcement on radio, that is the listening skills, where you will improve your listening skills. After listening to it, you have to get an idea and answer the questions. Okay, that is also one of your assignment. And here the study skills, study this tree, what is it about, write it, whether it's a nuclear or joint, is yours a nuclear joint family, and then describe the in a paragraph just 2 or 3 sentences about what is the information given over here. It's an information given about the family. Okay, about the nuclear family and joint family, and you have to write which type of family you prefer and why. So just answer these questions in short and send your all the 3 assignments. So in this video you are going to write all the 3 assignments and send it to your respected teachers. Thank you.